Hi students, today we are going to see class 8 exercise 2.3 sixth sum 8x plus 4 it is equal to 3 into x minus 1 plus 7. So we are going to multiply this 3 inside the bracket. We will get 3x minus 3 plus 7, that will be 3x plus 4. We are going to bring all the x on the one side and the numbers on the other side. So 8x minus 3x it is equal to 4 minus 4. 5x equal to 0, the value of x it is 0. So we are, in order to verify this, we are going to substitute the value of 0 in this equation, and we are getting 8 into 0 plus 4 it is equal to 3 into 0 minus 1 plus 7. So 0 plus 4 it is equal to 3 into minus 1 plus 7 plus 4 here, and here also minus 3 plus 7 plus 4. Hence it is verified. Seventh sum. So x it is equal to 4 by 5 into x plus 10. So we are cross multiplying this 5 on this side. So we will be getting 5x it is equal to 4x plus 40, and bringing all the x on the one side. So it is 5x minus 4x it is equal to 40. So the value of x it is 40. In order to verify this, we are going to substitute the value of 40 in the x. So on this side it is 40. 4 by 5 into x plus 10. So that is 4 by 5 into 40 plus 10. So this will become 50, and 5 tens are it is 50. So on both the sides we get the answer as 40, and hence it is verified. The sum 2x by 3 plus 1 it is equal to 7x by 15 plus 3. So here we are taking 2x plus 3 by 3, and here it is 7x plus 3 into 15 by 15. So it will become through 2x plus 3 by 3 it is equal to 7x plus 45 by 15. Cross multiplying we will get 15 into 2x plus 3 it is equal to 3 into 7x plus 45. So multiplying 15 inside we will get 30x plus 45 it is equal to 21x plus 135. Bringing all the x on the one side we will get 30x minus 21x it is equal to 135 minus 45. So 9x it is equal to 90. The value of x it is 10. In order to verify, we are going to substitute the value of x in this equation, and we are getting the answer 23 by 3 on both the sides, and hence it is verified. In the sum 2y plus 5 by 3 it is equal to 26 by 3 minus y. So we are going to take this 3 here, and it will become 3 into 2y plus 5 by 3 it is equal to 26. Here minus 3 into y by 3. So when multiplying 3, we will get 6y plus 5 by 3 it is equal to 26 minus 3y by 3. Cancelling 3 on both the sides, we will get 6y plus 5 it is equal to 26 minus 3y. So 6y plus 3y it is equal to 26 minus 5. So 9y it is equal to 21. So y it is equal to 7 by 3. In order to verify this, we are going to substitute the value of y in this equation, and we will be getting the answer 19 by 3 on both the sides, and hence it is verified. 10th sum 3m it is equal to 5m minus 8 by 5. So we are bringing this 5m on the other side. We will be getting 3m minus 5m it is equal to minus 8 by 5. So minus 2m it is equal to minus 8 by 5. We can cancel the negative sign on both the sides. We will get the answer as m value as 4 by 5. So now in order to verify this, we are going to substitute 4 by 5 in this equation. We will be getting the answer as 12 by 5 on both the sides, and hence it is verified. Thank you.